Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title of today's video, I'm pretty much going to be taking you guys throughout me trying to like get myself ready for back to school, which technically, yes, I did have a class. I had like 3 classes on Thursday. My other classes haven't started yet, but honestly it was just like syllabus stuff. I feel like I didn't really even do anything. Like I don't have any assignments or anything yet or anything to do. Alhamdulillah. So thought I would take the weekend to kind of prepare myself for back to school and everything that is going to be coming along with it. And I thought I would take you guys along, so whether that's like some self-care things I wanted to do or whether it's just like some cleaning and tidying around and just taking you guys along. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is some self-care. You know, I'm going to paint my nails with the 786 nail polish, and this portion of today's video is sponsored by 786, which I am so excited about because I have been using these nail polishes for the past 3 years. So I've used their nail polishes way before they even reached out to me, and I've always loved them. So obviously I was super excited to work with them for this video. A little bit about 786 is that these nail polishes are certified water permeable and weather friendly, which if you don't feel comfortable with that idea, nobody is forcing you to wear them. I mean, you can always wear these nail polishes on your, time of the month because they're just great nail polishes in general, and I love the company for so many reasons. Number one, I love the fact that their nail polishes are named after all these like beautiful cities around the world. So it's really easy for all of us to just like make a personal connection with their nail polishes. So the 2 colors I have right here, which I chose, is this really pretty brown shade in the color Gobble, which is obviously, a city in Afghanistan. And then this one right here is in the color Azores. I actually had no idea what the city was. I just thought the color was really pretty, so that's why I got this one. So it's like a city in Portugal, and when I looked up the pictures of that place, I feel like this nail polish color really accurately represents that place as well. So yeah, that's like one of my favorite things about the brand. Yeah, I'm gonna start painting my nails with Gobble. I also love the fact that 786 donates 20% of their profits from each of their sales to help refugees around the world. So I love how, like, by supporting this brand, you're also helping support a bigger cause, and your money is going in a good place. It's a Muslim-owned brand, and yeah, they're just great nail polishes. They apply so well. I put the blue color, this one right here, the Azores, on my sister-in-law's nails. It looks so pretty on her nails, and they honestly look like gel nails. Like, I remember one time, like around like 2 years ago when I was working retail, I painted my nails with one of the 786 nail polishes in this color. I think it was like Petra or Petra or something like that. It was like this really light pink color. I wonder if they still sell that color. If they do, I'll insert it. So yeah, I got one of those nail polishes, and I remember painting my nails with that, and I was getting so many compliments on it. And I remember some of my coworkers were like, oh, where did you get your nails done? It looks so nice. And I was like, oh, I just painted it myself. They're like, what? No way, because it looked like gel nails to them. These nail polishes really just apply so nicely and so smoothly. Like, I really love them. And yeah, so if you're not comfortable with the idea of them being water permeable and weather friendly, you can always just wear them on your time of the month. Like, they're just great nail polishes in general, like I said previously. Like, yeah, I definitely recommend checking them out. I'll leave my discount code on the screen for you guys and take advantage of that if you'd like to. So yeah, I already got one hand done. It honestly just takes one coat. Like, it already so pretty. I love this color. Don't judge this finger right here. I had to cut it because I got stuck on something and then my nail broke. It's very unfortunate. So yeah, it's kind of harder to do my right hand, but I mean, actually I got it. Yeah, I love like the size of the nail paint thing on this too. It's so nice. I don't think I did too bad of a job on my left hand. That's actually pretty good. How cute does that look? So these nail polishes are pretty fast drying, so I'm just gonna sit here for like a minute to be safe and just let them dry. So yeah, I'm gonna let my nails dry, and then moving on to the next little thing, which is I wanted to wash my sheets and stuff on my bed. So I went ahead and washed those last night, so I'm just gonna be putting back on my sheets, and it's just gonna feel like a fresh start. So I really wanted to do that, even though I feel like I washed my sheets right before I left on my little vacation. I don't know, I just felt like I needed to wash them again. So I went ahead and washed those, so I'm just going to put those sheets on. That's the next thing I'm gonna do. Bed is made and my sheets are washed and everything is clean. The next thing I have to tackle is this suitcase. I still have not unpacked. I need to unpack this because just seeing this mess on the floor, which, you know what, let me show you guys what I'm looking at right now. Like it's so bad. I don't know why my laptop's in there, but this is what I'm looking at right now, and it's just such a mess and a big pile, and so I'm going to clean it. Probably shouldn't take long. I just need to put everything away. I like washed everything before I brought it so nothing's dirty. So cleaning this, and then I will vacuum my floor most likely, and I'll just feel so much better, more organized. I cannot focus if my room is dirty. Like if I'm like in class, you know how a lot of the classes are online, like if I have an online class and I'm seeing this mess on the floor, I will not be able to concentrate. So I need to take care of this for my own sanity, and I need to do it before school starts again on Monday. So therefore, let's get to cleaning. But before, since it is Friday, as I am filming this video, I feel like I should take the initiative to, you know, watch like an extra lecture or something like that while I'm cleaning. If anyone's curious what lecture I went with, I thought I'd give this one a watch. It's by Yakin Institute, Omar Suleiman, The Prophet's Advice on Having a Clean Heart. It's only 12 minutes, so it's honestly pretty short for a lecture. So yeah, I've never listened to this one, so I thought, why not? Alright, all the clothes are put away. I finally emptied out the suitcase. It feels so nice to just have that emptied out. Now it's like so light. I can actually carry my suitcase because there's like nothing in it. I'm gonna go put this back where it belongs. Till next time, I guess. Yeah, now I'm gonna vacuum. This floor needs to be vacuumed. It's so dusty in here. Alright guys, so I'm in the bathroom now. I thought I would put in some whitening strips. I have had these crust ones for a while now, and it comes with like a pack of 8, and I'm pretty sure I still have like 6 in here around, or like 5 of these. I honestly barely use them because my teeth are just so sensitive, but then I was like, you know what, why not, since we're already doing all the other things, let me just use them. Shouldn't be too bad. And maybe I'll use them for 30 minutes instead of the 1 hour, even though you're supposed to use it for an hour. So the first thing I'm going to do before using them is like flossing my teeth and brushing them really quick. I use this little floss stick. I got it from Amazon. So much easier than using like the string floss because you can get like all the way back in your mouth easier. You already know I'm gonna brush my teeth with a little empty toothbrush. I always wet my toothbrush after putting toothpaste on it. Does everyone else do that too? Or do you guys wet your toothbrush before putting the toothpaste on it? Because I wet it before and also after. I'm curious to know what you guys do because I feel like everybody does something else. So let me know if you guys do the same as me or you guys do different. I'm curious to know. Alright, my teeth feel pretty clean now, but I wanted to share with you guys something because I realized this as I was in the bathroom. So this is like my empty toothbrush if you guys watched that video I did with them. So you hear this, right? Oh, the water kind of splashed on my nose. Okay, so you guys heard that, right? Listen to my old toothbrush. I took the head off of it, but even without the head, like, just listen. Sounds like a lawnmower or something, like really, really loud. I can't believe I used to brush my teeth with something this loud. Like, that is so loud compared to this. Like I realized this was a lot more quiet, but I didn't realize it was that much more quiet compared to that toothbrush I have. So wow, I'm so grateful that I have that new toothbrush, alhamdulillah. Like I love that one. I just thought that was like interesting. Thought I would just share that with you guys. But anyways, onto the strips, what we're here for, right? Okay, I have a hack for you guys if you like use whitening strips. So I'm gonna apply the whitening strips as normal, and then instead of just like leaving them on my teeth, because you know they have like a really weird taste, I'm going to put my retainers over it, and you won't even taste it or feel it. I think you peel them from here. Why does it look like this is the upper one? Wait, which way do you put it on? I'm guessing the things on the bottom will fold in. I'm gonna use this as the viewfinder as my mirror. So, oh, you see my chin acne now. Actually, wait, okay, the bottom one's smaller. Now if I have a lisp, so sorry about that. But anyways, I can't taste them. I tasted them for a second when I put the top one on and it was disgusting, but now I can't taste it. So definitely recommend this hack. Check back in an hour. So I've had these in for only like 9 minutes and 50 seconds as I'm looking at the timer, and my teeth kind of hurting right here. I don't know why already, like they feel sensitive, so I'm like, should I just take them out? We're supposed to leave them on for an hour and it's only been 9 minutes. Like, I feel like that's a little too soon, but I also don't want to risk my teeth being too sensitive, so I'm like, what do I do? But I did want to do like a face mask as well. First things first, I'm gonna take my makeup off. I just have some concealer on and a little bit of blush, which kind of faded by now. I didn't even have anything on my forehead. I was like, why is nothing coming off? Because I don't really put anything on, but whatever. Oh yeah, that's where all the makeup was. Whoop. I'm kind of like a breakout right here and under my chin at the moment. You guys keep asking me for a skincare routine, like you guys, I want to do one, but I want my skin to be good first. But is it ever going to be 100% good? Probably not. It's a lot better though than it used to be, and I feel like I have a really bad lisp, and some of you guys already say you can't understand me, so you guys are probably going to have an even harder time understanding me with these retainers in my mouth. But alright, my teeth are fine. I hope it doesn't get bad again, so I'm just going to leave them in until I'm done with my skincare most likely. So I'm gonna go ahead in with this Aztec Indian Healing Clay Mask I got off of Amazon a really long time ago. I hope this thing didn't expire. It's been a while since I've used this, to be honest, but I thought I would go ahead and use this. So yeah, it just looks like this. It's a gray powder. You mix it with water and it turns into like this clay mask. I hope I don't get my hijab dirty. Alright, I'm gonna start applying this on my face. I'm just using a clean face brush to do this. Just makes it easier. Oh my god, that's so cold on my skin. Oh, I dripped it on myself. Okay, I'm gonna do this in the mirror. 1 second. Alright, I did like a little thin layer of this mask. So when I take this face mask off in about 10 minutes, oh, I got my hijab dirty. Great. No, I really like this hijab. This is why I don't like doing like night routine and stuff like that, because I hate washing my face and doing all that stuff with the hijab on. Like, it always gets my hijab dirty. Or like makeup videos because it gets my hijab dirty. But as I was saying, I'm gonna take this off in 10 minutes probably, so in total the whitening strips would have been on my teeth for about like 22 minutes, which is not really anywhere for the whole hour, so it probably won't make that big of a difference for the whiteness of my teeth, but my teeth are just so sensitive I cannot leave it on for the whole hour. Alright, it's really hard to wash my face with the hijab on, you guys. I hate it. But okay, I've got my face clean. Feels nice. Feels like refreshing for sure. Feels really weird to like wash my face with this on. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with some moisturizer really quick with my CeraVe regular, moisturizing lotion. And I still have these things in my mouth. I'm about to take them off really quick. That mask just got so tight out of nowhere I had to like wash it off. It's got a little bit below my neck. Feels really nice to clean my face, put a face mask on. I feel really good. I'm finally gonna take these out. They've been in for about like 28 minutes at this point. Oh, I could taste it. But I don't know, did it make a difference? I don't really see much of a difference, but I also didn't leave it on for the full hour. But like, I don't think my teeth could take it. My teeth feel fine right now, so that's good at least. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. And also do not forget to check out 786, so everything will be linked in the description box as well. So definitely check that out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.